Ready to unleash the power of AI directly on your computer, giving you unparalleled control and privacy. In this tutorial, we're diving into how to set up and use Flux AI locally, stepping away from cloud dependencies and embracing local AI experimentation. First, head over to the Flux AI website. I've included a link in the description below for your convenience there. You'll find detailed instructions and the necessary software to download for your operating system, ensuring a smooth installation process. Once you've installed Flux AI, take some time to familiarize yourself with the basic configuration. This involves setting up your model parameters, data paths, and other essential settings, all customizable to fit your project's specific needs. Now comes the exciting part: running your AI models locally. Simply navigate to your Flux AI directory in the terminal and use the appropriate command to initiate your model. Monitor the progress in real time, observing how your AI learns and adapts right before your eyes. With Flux AI running locally, you can now explore a range of AI applications, from generating stunning images to summarizing complex text, all while maintaining complete control over your data and resources. That's it. You've successfully set up and run Flux AI locally. This opens up a world of possibilities for secure, customizable, and efficient AI development. Remember to check out the Flux AI documentation for more advanced features and troubleshooting tips. Happy experimenting!